Hi, this is Greg Flores, founder of Soul Solutions. I know a lot of y'all have been watching my vlogging lately thinking, man, he makes a lot of sense about windows and he knows an awful lot about that stuff. And I'm sitting here drinking a cup of coffee right now, looking out my dirty, dingy old windows that might even be rattling, thinking, boy, I need to do something about that. But gosh darn it, those things got to be expensive. Well, one thing's for certain, we know window replacement isn't going to get cheaper over time. And I'd also love to tell you that every person that calls us and wants a window estimate does all the windows in their house on their first swipe. But frequently we do partial jobs. Families like to budget, but they can't budget till they have a number. And most of our customers do one side of their house one year, the next side next year, and so on until the whole project is done over time. If you've been considering windows or just want to know how much you need to budget, please give us a call. You can reach us at 469-708-8151.